Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am Wendy Shenarigan, and we talk about everything DIY, renovations, interior design, anything lifestyle improvement. We do that at our channel. So if you like that, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. I would really appreciate it. It lets me know that my work is not in vain. So let's get into it. So normally I always focus on all other rooms instead of my bedroom. And just I woke up one morning and said, you know what? We need a refresh. So I think you saw my thumbnail and how dull my bedroom looked compared to downstairs, and how downstairs looks so beautiful. You can skip some other videos. And so I reached out to LuxeWall. LuxeWall is a great company. And the reason why I chose them is because they give a lot of texture to the walls. It is an easy DIY project. So you will see that it only took my husband and his friend literally one evening to finish one wall. And we decided to do another media wall with the wood as well. So LuxeWall also is a great company because with every tree used to make their quality products, Hardwood Bargains pledges to replant 2, not 1, but 2 in its place. So I am definitely a green person. We recycle, we have solar panels, we do everything we can to preserve this wonderful Mother Earth that we have. So that was another reason why I chose LuxeWall. And so they are giving our subscribers and our viewers a discount, Wendy10. Use promotional code Wendy10 when you are shopping at LuxeWall. When I tell you it was easy, it was easy. So the first thing I did is I actually took everything out of the room. I painted. I did not put up the panels themselves because, of course, my husband is a contractor, but it was very simple for him. I could have done it myself as well. But I decided to take everything out of the room and also paint because it definitely needed a refresh. I solicited my kids as well. They had a fun job painting, and I love the fact that they wanted to help. So yeah, come on in, let's paint. I am using a paint that I purchased from Sherwin-Williams. I will put the paint color in the description box. There you go. And then after that, you're going to see that I'm going to switch on over to the panels, but I just wanted to let you know how important it is to paint first, because painting, get that out the way. And when you're putting up the panels, you don't have to worry about mistakenly putting paint on the panels. Another great thing about LuxeWall is they provide you a lot of great guides and videos on how to install. They even shared on their website, www.luxewall.com, where to start and how to prep your walls. My husband watched the video and I told him he should start in the middle of the wall, but he did his own thing. So unless you're a professional, I wouldn't suggest that. Follow the directions. I'm just going to be honest. Start in the middle of the wall and then work from the middle. But he was able to put it up with no problem. So I'm actually speeding up this video, but the installation took about 2 hours, 2.5 hours. I was probably in their way because I was still painting the other part of the room a little bit. But as you can see, it's really a straightforward shot. He did choose to use the nails as opposed to glue, but you can use the glue or adhesive as well, whichever one you choose. So I'm just going to leave it here so you can see how fast it goes. I sped it up a little bit, but this was a span of 21 minutes, and you're going to see how much he did in 21 minutes. Now you're going to see a small pause here when there's no one in the room. It's because he's already taken his measurements and he's in the garage cutting the wood itself. He does have a wood cutter because of course he's a contractor, but if you do not have one, definitely go on the website and they'll tell you exactly what you need in order to cut the wood to your specific specifications. I also wanted to let you know that we decided to do this wall as an accent wall and not the entire room. I failed to say that in the beginning. And we loved it so much that we decided to do a media wall. So you're going to see that a little bit toward the end. And I'll stop it here and then I'll pick it back up so you can see close up on how this wood is working. This 3D ebony white oak, and you'll see why it says 3D in a second. I'm going to give you a close up because it's just not flat wood. It actually has different grooves and crevices, which gives a lot of great texture to the walls. And I'm trying to work more with texture and color. So I think you're going to like it. See that texture there? Oh, you see that texture? And let me tell you something, when the whole wall is finished, when you look to the side, it looks beautiful. The pattern looks great. It looks like real wood. And guess what? It is real wood. I mean, it's just really good. I cannot wait to show you all the finished product, but we're still working on that media wall. So let's get to that. So he worked really fast with this media wall. I really tried to give you all the heads up on how. So he's going to tell you exactly how he put up the media wall, and he is our featured guest on this YouTube video.
So first of all, getting the framing done, we use 2x4s to do the framing. After the 2x4s are up with the measurement of the fireplace, the soundbar, and the TV, leaving an inch on all 4 sides so the TV would flush in. Then we use sheetrock. After sheetrock, we skin, sand, and now we're going to be putting up the accent wall. And after the accent wall is done, then we're going to paint the inside. The cover is black, so everything will blend in. Then we'll finish up the outside coating with the current paint to match the wall.
So there you have it. Stay tuned for part 2 and we'll give you the final product. As always, thank you for watching and peace.